So I'm going to show you a different point of view as to why at this point in the market is a buying opportunity and not a time to sell. I'm Calvin and welcome to another video about Bitcoin. None of this is financial advice and I'm simply just sharing my opinion on how I view the market and also sharing what I'm doing currently when it comes to building my own wealth. So I recently got inspired by a post from Bitcoin Magazine Pro, and they posted about their MVRV Z-score chart. I'll explain what that is in a second. Basically, they said that Bitcoin hit its most oversold area ever, and I just wanted to look into that. So let me bring up the post and then I'll bring up the chart. All right, so here's the post, by Bitcoin Magazine Pro. I like their chart, so this one, when I initially read it, I was like, oh shoot, that's crazy. So I just wanted to look into it and just make my own opinion. Bitcoin hits the most oversold level ever. Bitcoin MVRV score 2-year rolling, and they're showing that it did drop here, and it says -3. So I just wanted to test that. So I'm gonna bring up their chart, like literally from their website. Okay, so I guess we can like zoom into more recent years. This is June 18th, 2022. So this is like the last bear market bottom and up until recent times. So obviously it'd be super nice to be buying when it's like hella low, but we ramped up, but Bitcoin was not super overvalued this time around. We went down, we went back up. Our highest was December 16th, and I think during that time was low-key the presidency. And then when we elected the new president, and ever since there, we've been like sort of trailing down. So as it's going down, this is just telling me that Bitcoin's actually undervalued. So that most recent sell-off, I mean, it could be for any reason, but we are definitely going down to more undervalued territory. So yeah, I think what I would be doing is getting more charts to review. And as the price is falling, I'm going to be accumulating so that I can dollar cost average down. So if it's a bear market, I usually do that when we're at the bottom of the bear market. But since we're technically still in a bull market, whenever these large pullbacks happen, this is just like low-key like fire sale for me. So I'm just accumulating as it's going down. And the thing that I need to do better and I'm working on is making sure that I sell off as price goes up. So I'll be looking more closely at this chart and trying to gauge. Hopefully we can get back up. That'd be dope. Or if we go down, I would hella buy down here. And then again, this plus a bunch of different charts. But if you guys like this content, make sure you guys comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys have any questions about Bitcoin or crypto investing in general, let me know. Subscribe to the channel and you have a good day. I'll be making more. Just let me know. Okay, bye.